Good afternoon, everyone. Let's give a round of applause to our newest brand ambassador, brand endorser, Mr. Dustin Yu. Thank you, Dustin, for being with us today. And we're so honored to introduce Dustin as our newest brand endorser of Aromagic Air. We're so happy, we're so glad. Looking forward to do more projects with you in the future. And thank you again, everyone, for joining us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Dean. Dustin, welcome to our Magic Air family. Also, thank you, Sparkle family, for believing in the brand. And to the media and the press, thank you for being with us today because this day is important to us kasi sabi nga dun sa namin, sa mga posts namin about our Magic Air, we see that this is a magical journey with Dustin. Not just because he's gonna grow with us, because we will also be growing with him. So as you know, that the brand aspires to really go global. And not to mention all the plans that we are about to unveil and unleash anytime soon. But before I end this, no, not the program, okay? The segment, okay? We are so excited with this partnership, and in fact, we already have something big, yeah, in store for you. And we think this is the perfect time to share this with you all. On December 4, yeah, we will have the very first Dustin Yu experience. This is Destiny, an exclusive event for Dustin Yu and Aromagic Air family. Congratulations, Dustin.
All right, congratulations. I think congratulations. So something to really look forward to, an event, an experience, one of its kind. But talaga naman, and hear this, look at that. December 4, 2025 at New Frontier Theater, Destiny, the Dustin Yu Experience. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is really something to look forward to all of his supporters, everybody, the friends who are rooting for Dustin. So, kaabang-abang yan. Grabe, mark your calendars po. December 4, 2025. This is an early Christmas present to everybody. All right? And by the way, please, again, we have more pictures coming your way. Look directly in front. Thank you so much. All right. Now, at this point, we will be moving on to a next part of our program. That being said, to those of you guys who are still standing up, pwede na po kayo mag-relax. Pwede, please, you can now take your seats, and we will be proceeding to an important portion of our program, which is, of course, the Q&A. Ayan. So guys, I'm sure excited na po kayo. Again, mark your calendars, and we want to know more about this partnership with Aromagic Air, as well as this event and this upcoming Dustin Yu experience at the New Frontier Theater, of course, December 4, 2025. Now, everybody's settled down. Nakaupo na sila lahat. At this point, guys, ready na sila, no? Yeah? Oh, of course, yeah. All right. So at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we can now open the floor to our esteemed members of the press, our friends from the media. Ito na po, pwede na po kayong magtanong. Alright? Alright? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have questions, please just raise your hand. Okay? And let's all limit the questions to contain our questions to this partnership, a milestone event. Tatakasan mo sila. No. And the members of our press have more questions for you guys about this experience, how this partnership really came about. And guys, again, please just raise your hand, and I think one of our production people will come to you with a mic. So, yeah. Okay, we have Kuya June Allen for the first question. Kuya June, ayan si Kuya June. Hello. Good afternoon, Kuya June.
Yes, yeah. Thank you, Tito Mitch. Dustin, congratulations. We're so happy for you. Dustin, syempre Dustin, ang bongga, no? Sunod-sunod yung mga milestones sa buhay mo. And gano'n ka-proud kasi ikaw yung first local endorser ng Aral Magic.
Of course, before I answer your question, Tito June, I'm so happy to see you here. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta.
Yeah, I'm so happy also to see you here. The last time I saw you was in Dubai.
In Dubai pa, sa mall, nagsha-shopping ka.
Ikaw nagsha-shopping.
Anyways, kidding aside. Of course, very proud na ako yung first local artist na magiging endorser na Aero Magic Care. Ayun nga, pinag-usapan namin a while ago. After Korea, nagkaroon sila ng Thai actor endorser. Tapos next is ako na. So, kanina sinasabi ko sa kanila na grabe, sobrang laki ng tiwala na binigay nila sa akin. And of course, ako, may ibabalik ko yun. Hindi ko siya maibabalik ng basta-basta ng thank you lang. So, natuwa ako kasi sinabi nila sa akin na mag-grow ako kasama sila. And yun yung hinahanap ko sa mga brands na makukuha natin. Of course, ako kasi, if you know me, advocate ako ng wellness. Marami akong ginagawa in life. And super swak ng brand na to kasi, ayun nga, nag-work ako almost every day. Tapos mahilig ako sa sports. So, by that being said, madalas sumakit yung katawan ko. so I'm happy na yung product na ma-endorse ko is magagamit ko siya every day. And super proud. And wala, no words can express how happy I am now. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Dustin. Kay Miss April and Miss Pauline, after hearing yung sinabi ni Dustin mo kung gano'n siya ka-excited na natutuwa na he's the first local endorser of Aero Magic. Kayo, bakit po si Dustin ang naisipan nyo na kunin? Kasi, syempre, nakakabilib na talagang mga malalaking celebrities from abroad yung mga nauna nyo, di ba? And bakit ngayon bilang Pilipino na mismo, Filipino celebrity? And why Dustin?
Thank you. Obviously, Dustin actually represents the brand eh. So sabi nga niya, di ba, yung wellness, siya mismo into that. We see a lot of potential kasi dito sa bata ang tawag ko eh, no? Parang ang age gap eh, kay Dustin. And he is fit for the brand and we know that he can uphold that standards eh. The kind of standard that we started. Actually, siya yung first ever local endorser, brand endorser. But we had some celebrity partners in the past naman, like Glyza De Castro, Mamang Pokwa, Winay. But first namin ever na nag-sign for brand endorser at si Dustin yun.
Yes, Ms. Pauline.
Dustin's passion for wellness and commitment to living a healthy, balanced, and mindful life perfectly aligned with Aral Magic Care. So, fit talaga siya and nakikita natin yung impact kasi ni Dustin today. He is very impactful pagdating sa mga brands. So, I've said this before that Dustin is a perfect choice for Aral Magic Care.
Congratulations again, Dustin. Thank you, Kuya Mix.
Thank you so much, June. Up next, we have Nikki Wang from Manila Stanford.
Thank you. Again, Dustin, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Another brand endorsement for you. Marami sa amin tatanong, nakapagpapahinga ka ba sa dami ng ginagawa mo these days?
Nakapagpahinga pa ba ako? Actually, mukhang simple yung tanong, no? Pero honestly, paano ba? Of course, with all the work na kailangan ko gawin after PBB, hindi ako masyado nakapagpahinga. But then, kinokontrol ko yung mindset ko na parang every time na pauwi ako, mag-spend ako ng how many minutes with my parents. So yun yung rest for me now. Yung kasama ko yung mga siblings ko, mga cousins ko, na kahit na isang oras lang, I mean, nagiging nasa-set aside yung trabaho, and kahit hindi ako nakakapagpahinga or tulog, as long as kasama ko yung mga tao na happy ako, in a way nakakapag-rest na rin ako. So, yeah, yun.
Pero normally ba kung yan ng trabaho, ano ba yung idea mo ng relaxation?
Oh wow, out of the country or out of town, man lang sana. Pero because of the tight schedule na hindi ko siya mahanapan ngayon. But ako kasi, if kilala nyo na ako, super hilig ko rin talaga mag-travel. Actually, excited nga ako kasi may Balasin kami, di ba? Tama ba? Mag-travel kami with the brand. So, super excited. Feeling ko, yun yung magiging first na travel ko and pahinga na naman sa same time.
It's good to know. And lastly, kanina may teaser na Dustin yung experience. Siguro from you and from our Magic Care executives, baka you could give us a little teaser on what we can expect sa Dustin yung experience coming December ba?
December. Yeah.
Yes.
Ako
What can we expect?
Yeah. Ako masasabi ko lang, first, sobrang thankful ako sa event na to because like ko sinasabi na gusto ko ibalik sa mga supporters or sa mga fans na sumuporta sa akin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya yung pasasalamat sa lahat ng mga boto o sigaw o basta lahat ng naitulong nila sa akin. So, perfect timing lang no. Actually, itong event na to is para sa kanila talaga. Feeling ko dito ko mabibigay sa kanila yung pasasalamat ko. So, mas makakapag-bonding kami siguro. Mas makikita nila yung kung sino ba talaga si Dustin. Pag hindi, kung sino ba talaga si Dustin mag-perform. Or basta, super excited ako for you guys and for me also and for the brand of course. Kasi ito na yung hinihintay natin na experience at looking forward na maging happy tayo lahat.
Miss Pauline, Miss April, baka mayroon kayong gusto magdagdag regarding the Dustin experience. Do we have a special guest po ba or other activation leading to the event?
Ang isang alam namin talaga na kaka-excite ng lahat, ipapakita ni Dustin yung isi-showcase niya, yung Dustin you. And kasi from the di ba, universe. Yan, he will definitely sing and perform, dance and perform, and for the guests, he actually would choose his guests. So, abangan niyo po yung kanyang i-unveil, i-reveal na guests na ikakasaya ng marami.
Alright, we're looking forward to that. Salamat.
Thank you so much for that good question. Paalala po, this is going to be an exciting, exclusive date with our very total charmer here, Dustin. And of course, as we said, he gets to choose his own guests. So again, please check out their social media accounts. Stay tuned for more updates. And speaking of updates, we will also be, I believe, ito kakapasok lang ito na balita, we will be also having billboards, if I'm not mistaken, yeah? Billboards coming up soon, hopefully around the metro. So stay tuned for that. We have more details. And again, don't forget to mark your calendars, December 4, 2025. Now, thank you so much for that. Up next, we have June Nardo from Marites University.
Hello, congratulations, Dustin. Madam to Madam. Ano lang, wala spoiler, Madam. Sino ba yung sinasabi niyong magpakilig na i-unveil din ninyo?
sa mga susunod na buwan o araw? Can we know konting clue? Yung inyong...
Ay, hindi talaga kami pwede pong mag-spoil eh. Oo, abangan na lang po talaga natin. Abangan na lang natin.
Ano? Guess mo si Bianca, di ba? Diretsuhan na tayo, madam. Yun na kaming ine-etchos-etchos.
Sorry, ano po yung question?
Guess mo si Bianca.
Guess.
Di ba?
We will see po. Ayan. So, I learned na lang
The
po
possibilities
namin
are
yung mga-
limitless. The possibilities with Ara Magic Care and everybody here in front is limitless. So kahit sabihin niyo pang kung sinong guest yan, if there's a will, there's a way. Yan ang...
Kaya, abangan namin yun na. Dustin, bibigyan mo ba si Bianca nito ng Ara Magic Care product?
Sorry?
Actually, pinatry ko na sa kanya.
Kaya pinapukunin na siya.
Kasi lagi rin siyang pagod from work. So sabi ko, try mo to kasi mahilig si Bianca sa mga cooling effect. So natry ko na.
Sige, ikaw naman ano ang favorite ko sa mga products?
Ako, yung favorite ko talaga yung parang yung dinidikit sa katawan.
Talong patch? Parang
mental patch. Kasi kasi lagi akong nag-workout.
Okay.
Lagi akong pagod from work. Tapos nag-business pa ako. So, yun yung nagpaparelax sa akin actually.
Hindi ka ba,
Dito bibigyan kita.
Meron ako.
Meron ka na.
Gusto mo pa, bigyan mo pa ako isa. Hindi. So, how's your career now? Alam mo naman namin, career mo, how do you feel? Nasa shake ka, di ba?
Yes.
Nasa God is so bad ka rin. How do you feel? Hindi lang si Will ng dalawang movies, hindi ka ulit.
How do I feel? Of course, super grateful talaga. Super wow. I mean, meron naman ito nangyari sa career ko before. So, ang daming pumapasok na blessings.
Okay, very good.
Na sobrang grateful ko lang. Pero at the same time, alam mo dito, lagi ko nire-remind sarili ko na maging grounded. Kasi mararamdaman natin yan yung excitement, lahat. Pero ako hindi ko pinakalimutan na kung saan ako nanggaling. So ngayon na maraming blessings, of course. Ito na rin yung opportunity na ibigay ko yung best ko. Ito na rin yung opportunity na ipakita sa tao kung gaano ko gusto itong industry na ito. At sana magtuloy-tuloy dito. Sana magtuloy.
Ito nga, meron ng PBB 2.0.
Yes.
Ano naman ang reaction mo, masasabi mo? At hindi mo nga kayo naabot ng isang taon, may kapalit na agad kayo. What advice would you give them?
Well, ito nga,
bumili ng aroma magic care mo na.
Ito?
Bigyan mo sila aroma magic care.
Oo nga malay mo mag-sponsor.
Oo, di ba? Hindi, sige. That's it.
So yun narinig ko nga na may upcoming PBB. Of course, na-excite ako kasi some of them nakatrabaho ko na or friends ko na. So, excited ako ma-experience nila yung bahay ni Kuya kasi for me talaga isang beses lang yun sa buong buhay mo at hindi lahat nakakapasok ng bahay ni Kuya. And then, ang advice ko lang, lagi ko sinasabi, siguro talagang maging totoo ka lang. Maging totoo ka lang, maging mabait ka, at siguro tatagan mo lang yung sarili mo kasi dito hindi talaga siya madali. Ako yun yung sabi. Hindi talaga siya madali. So,
pero naging maganda yung resulta sa iyo, di ba?
Dito?
Naging maganda yung resulta.
Yes.
Especially sa kanil mo. And siyempre sa pagkatao.
Yeah, oo. Yun nga, sasabihin ko sana na hindi siya madali, pero grabe naman talaga yung kapalit ng blessings. So, it's a challenge. Challenging journey, pero at the end of the day, yun, Makatotoo ka lang at kung ano lang talaga yung gusto mong, kung sino ka lang talaga as a person, pakita mo lang talaga yun. Tapos everything will follow.
Thank you, congratulations. And you're in good hands with Aroma Magic Care.
Thank you, Tito.
Oh, diba? Gagawa ka ng pelikula niyan. Diba? Tamo isa nilang ginawa ng pelikula.
Sana.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm from Marites University. Up next, we have Rachel Siazon from PEP.
Hi, good afternoon, Dustin. Congrats sa iyong
Good afternoon.
new endorsement.
Thank you.
First, can you recall the very first talent fee that you got and what did you buy with it? And now that you're being blessed with more opportunities, siguro how are you handling your finances?
Wow, ganang question na. Wait lang, isipin ko muna. Yung talent fee, for sure, yung talent fee na, yung talent fee na una ko natanggap, nag-gain extra ko dun sa isang commercial. Ang talent fee ko nun is parang sa 3-5 ata pesos. Bata pa ako na ito eh. Tapos ginawa ko, pinambili ko siya ng second hand na sapatos. Tapos nilinis-linis ko. Tapos binenta ko ng mga 8,000 ata.
Wow!
Business-minded. Very business-minded. Entrepreneur nga. Entrepreneur, actor, total charmer.
Yun talaga yung ginawa ko. Kasi, yung 3-5 dati, malaki na yan pero hindi siya mabilis kitain. So, gumawa ko ng paraan para maging doble. So, yun yung ginawa ko. Tapos now, ngayon na madaming blessings nga, salamat sa Panginoon. Actually, medyo magastos ako ngayon. Medyo bumaliktad ata. Pero in a way, andyan yung mga management ko na sinasabihan ako palagi na huwag magastos, hinay-hinay na. Feeling ko kasi minsan pupasok sa utak ko na deserve mo naman. Ewan mo kung normal ba yun. Parang deserve mo naman i-treat mo yung sarili mo. Pinagpagulan mo naman yan. Pero di ko alam hanggang kailan ko siya sasabihin. No? Kasi kailangan ko rin magtipid talaga. Siguro after this, because of your question, magtitipid na ako.
But you also have an investment, diba? You have a restaurant.
Yes.
So, meron ka bang mentor when it comes to handling a business?
Well, ang mentor ko talaga sa F&B, sa food and beverages industry, I see David talaga. Siya naman talaga yung nagturo sa akin magnegosyo. Yung kinikita ko doon, nakatabi lang yan for future businesses na gusto kong pasukin. At invest lang ulit ng invest, paikot lang ng paikot.
Last question, coming from PBB and with the influence that you have now, siguro ano yung mga qualities na gusto mong i-espouse na hopefully makakaya din ng mga iba mong followers and supporters?
Actually, madami. Madami. At hindi lang yun para sa sarili. Lahat ng qualities na gusto ko i-share ay para sa buong mundo. O para sa pamilya nyo, o para sa, hindi siya pang sarili. And isa na lang siguro doon is yung pagiging kind. Sobrang simple nga, pero ang hirap niya gawin. Hindi ko alam bakit, pero isa yun. Sana kung kind lahat ng tao, mababawasan yung problema. And of course, since nandito tayo ngayon, yung wellness, importante rin siya sa peace of mind, kung makakatulong siya para maging clear ka mag-isip. Kasi, lahat tayo kailangan magtrabaho Pero, paano ka ba sa trabaho? Diba? Stressed ka ba sa trabaho? pagod ka ba sa trabaho? Diba? So, pag lagi ka nag-workout, for example, mas sanay ka sa pagod, mas ready ka sa bakbakan, mas ready ka sa trabaho kahit wala ka pang tulog. So, yun yung para sa akin at makakatulong yun sa lahat ng tao kasi lahat naman tayo tumatanda eh. Diba? So, huwag na natin hintayin na sumakit-sakit pa ang ating katawan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much again.